Hello, my name is Shivraj Sanjesh Nagare and my partner name is Keshav Hanumat Pawar. Today we are going to present ISA activity 1 of machine learning subject and we are this activity is about research article summary and presentation, and for that we are chosen the one article that is a research paper which is machine learning for hospital resource allocation and optimization, which the author of the this paper is Godwin and his team, and this paper is published at Artificial Intelligence of Healthcare Application, and it is a part of 17th International Conference of Pattern Recognition at the year of 2024. So first we see what is the what about this paper. This paper is about the research. The paper is explore how machine learning can optimize healthcare resource allocation. It focuses on demand forecasting, patient prioritization, workforce management, and supply chain optimization. It examines real world application including the COVID-19 situation, the COVID-19 pandemic. The next is the paper discussion challenges like data limitations, algorithm bias, privacy, and ethical concerns. The problems this paper solve is efficient resource allocation leading to poor patient care and operation efficiency, uh, unpredictable surges in healthcare demand, such as during flu session or pandemics, manual slow decision making in resource distribution, overworked staff, and supply shortage due to the forecasting, high operation cost due to the mismanagement of resources, like problems health resource allocation. It involves distributing limited resources like medical staffs, equipment, and hospital beds to meet patients' need effectively. Inefficient allocation result in poor patient outcomes, long wait times, and overworked healthcare staff. Traditional methods rely on historical data and manual process to often failing in adapt to sudden changes in demand. We see the COVID-19 situation, but to tackle it, we use machine learning, which will help us to distributing the all resources equally on the basis of hospital need. So no one can get more resources, no workforce will get no workforce get more priority, more work. So this study focuses on leveraging machine learning algorithm to enhance healthcare resource allocation, improving efficiency and patient care. So the research problem, we will see which problem we will first see. How can machine learning enhance hospital resource allocation? Will this problem, this research paper is revolve around this problem. What machine learning techniques are most effective in healthcare management? What are the challenges and ethical concerns in machine learning and hospital resource allocations? So the methodology which are used by the research paper is, first is data collection, in which they will collect the data from different hospitals, and also it will collect the data from sensors, IoT based enabled medical devices, ICU bed occupancy rates, hospital admission logs. Then it will uses supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning for different problems to tackle it and to get the data, correct the data, correct the solution. For supervised learning, they will use for predictive modeling, unsupervised learning for clustering analysis and patient grouping, and reinforcement learning for dynamic decision making for resource allocation. And the evaluation criteria is accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Then which algorithm they will use, we will see it clearly. First is the regression model. They will use for to see the hospital beds demand. Actually, this will in the form of linear regression. And the second is decision trees and random forest for classifying patient severity levels. Then next is unsupervised learning, in which they will use k-means clustering, which is identifying patient risk groups, and the second is principal component analysis (PCA) to reducing features complexity in large datasets. Third is reinforcement learning, Q learning, and deep Q networks (DQN), optimizing dynamic staff and bed allocations. Now we see the dataset used for this to research. First is analytics for hospital healthcare data. Second is healthcare activity analytics 2. Third is India primary healthcare data. And fourth is hospital bed capacity and COVID-19. And fifth one is hospital admissions data.
So I am Keshav Pawar. So I am next seeing evaluation metrics used. The first one is the accuracy. Accuracy is the measure low accurately the model predicts resource demand. For example, correct ICU beds forecast. So next evaluation matrix used is precision and recall. It is accesses how well the model criticizes critical patients. Next is mean squared error, that is MSC. It is evaluates the error in predicting resource quantity. Next is the F1 scores, balance the prediction and recall, useful for critical resource allocation. And the last one is the real-time efficiency. It evaluates the how quickly the model accepts the changing data. So next is what becoming the results. So in that first is regression models. Yes, in that linear regression and logistic regression. It is used for the predicting hospital bed demand or binary outcomes. For example, for using the patient's admission, accuracy is the 75% to 85%. This means good for simple relationship but struggle with the complex patterns. So next is the decision trees. It classifies the patient's unservicity or other categorical outcomes. Its accuracy is 80% to 90%. Listen. And last one is the K-means in clustering. It means the group patients into risk categorized or similar health profiles. Its accuracy is 70 to 85%. So next we see the strength of the approach. The first one is the improve efficiency. Eh, this means its ML models predict the demand and optimize allocations dynamically. The next benefit is the cost reduction. It automated scheduling, minimize the manual errors or resource wastages. And last one is the scalability. The ML systems can be expanded to different hospitals and healthcare networks. So next we see the weaknesses says about research. So first one is the data privacy and security risks. It ensuring the compliance with the healthcare regulations. The next is the bias in training data. This means the potential disparities in algorithm decision making. And the last one is integration challenges. This means the compatibility with the existing hospital for the IT infrastructure. And last one is we see the conclusion. The authors of the research paper highlights the machine learning efficiently enhance the healthcare resource allocation by improving demands, forecasting, patients prioritization, and workforce management and supply chain optimization. The ML models like random forest, SVM, and reinforcement learning have proven effective in predicting resource need and dynamically adjusting allocations, especially during crises like COVID-19 periods. The real-world case studies highlights how machine learning help the hospitals manage bed occupancy, staff scheduling, and medical supply distribution more effectively. And the last one is the while machine learning shows the great promises, the paper emphasizing the need of the address challenges such as data limitation, algorithm bias, privacy corners, and ethical conditions, reliable and equitable healthcare deliveries. So these are the reference we will help with the help of the we research about the research paper for the hospitals. Thank you.